Happy, happy Valentine's. Alright? Um, kung Valentine's ngayon, pumili talaga ako ng isang love song na talagang bawat liriko nito o lyrics ay talaga namang kung mapapakinggan nyo at maintindihan ng gusto. Talagang sasabihin yung napakasarap ng may minamahal, ng minamahal ka. Lalo na kapag yung tao na yun, walang inisip, kundi kapakanan mo, kabutihan mo. Yung bang tipong hindi kanya kahit sa saglit, di ka lulukuhin. Yung mundo, talagang parang ibinigay na sa inyo. Yan, ganyan klase yung kanta na yan. Ganyan yung parang inilalarawan ang isang taong tunay na nagmamahal. Yung tipong mayroong unconditional love. Walang hinihinging kapalit. Basta, umayos ka lang, mapabuti ka lang. Nakikirid away ako dyan. Pisahan na natin. Baka maiyak pa ako. Here we go. A song called Someone Who Believes in You. When there's a dark storm on your horizon, and you think you can get through it, just put your head in my hand. I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. When your heart and soul are hurting, just look and you'll see there. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that's always true. There's someone who believes in you. So when you're searching for that rainbow, I will help you to find it. When the mountain stands before you, I will help you climb it. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that's always true. There's someone who believes in you. It's time to come alive. Your moment has arrived. I'll bring out the best in you. We can have it all. No, we will never fall. Look into the best love in you. Pag nakakita ka ng ganyan tao, huwag mo nang pakawalan. Isa ako muna. Dapat isa ako. Just follow what I need. I'll give you what you need. And I'll tell you something else. Start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Just follow what I lead. I'll give you what you need. And I'll tell you something else. You will start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Someone who believes
alam nyo, ilang beses ko na siyang tinry buuin. Halos hindi ko mabuo kasi I always end up with crying. Hindi nga. Kasi, very meaningful kasi itong kanta na to. At punong-puno po ako ng emosyon sa dibdib habang kinakanta ko. Kasi, may naaalala lang ako. Kamukha po na sinabi ko kanina, ang mga taong ganon na kung magmahal, walang inisip kundi kapakanan at kabutihan nyo. Suklian nyo. Suklian nyo ng walang hanggang pagmamahal din. Kasi yung tao na yun, ang inilalarawan sa awitin na yun. Kung kinakailangan ikadena siya, ikadena mo. Kung kailangan isako siya, isako mo. Kasi bihira na ganyan. Yung walang inisip kundi yung kapakanan mo. Yung kagaganda ng buhay mo. Sarili mo. Lalo pa ngayon, marami na rin manluloko. Hindi naman lahat kasi na nagsasalita ng I love you, totoo eh. Di ba? Yung iba dyan, niloloko ka lang. Again, pag meron kayong ganyan tao, naniniwala sa inyo, sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo, sa lahat ng kakayahan niyo, sa mga katangian, pati kapintasan niyo, minahal. Huwag na kayo tumingin na iba. Sa kanya ka na lang. Huwag niyong hayaan makawala. Kasi nga, bihira na yun. Okay, happy Valentine's everyone. Sana nagustuhan niyo to. Lulubayan ko na at gusto ko nang maiyak. Happy Valentine's everyone. Hindi naman ko mo wala kang boyfriend o wala kang date, hindi ka na masaya sa araw ng puso. Marami kang pwedeng i-date. Yung pamilya mo, barkada mo. Maraming paraan para maging happy sa araw ng puso. Yun lang po. Happy Valentine's. I love you all. Thank you.